you to the 74th founding anniversary of the Department of Social Welfare and Development Field Office Cordillera Administrative Region.
This year's theme, Bawat Pamilyang Pilipino ay mahalaga sa bagong Pilipinas, reminds us that the foundation of a strong and progressive nation is built on the well-being of every Filipino family.
This DSWD Field Office has been a stable and reliable institution for countless Filipinos within CAR. You have not only provided assistance, but compassionate service to individuals, families, and communities experiencing crisis. To all the men and women of DSWD Field Office CAR, this milestone is yours. This is a celebration of your commitment, sacrifices, and heart for service. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Field Office's outstanding employees and loyalty awardees.
Our success in uplifting Filipino families is made possible by the unique contribution of each one of you. We may come from different sectors, organizations, or different backgrounds, but it is through our shared vision, collaboration, and unity that we can paint a brighter and more